Welcome back to Auto Street. Today we're diving into the world of cutting-edge technology with the 2024 Huawei S9. This is the latest flagship smartphone from Huawei, packed with high-end features, a sleek design, and powerful performance that challenges some of the biggest names in the industry. Whether you're a Huawei fan or just looking for a powerful smartphone, this video will take you through everything you need to know about the Huawei S9. Let's start with the design. Huawei has always been known for crafting elegant and premium-looking smartphones, and the S9 is no exception. It boasts a slim and lightweight design with a beautifully curved glass back, giving it a luxurious feel. The phone comes in a range of stunning colors including midnight black, glacier blue, and a special edition sunset gold. The bezels are ultra-thin, providing a nearly edge-to-edge display, and the front camera is neatly housed in a punch hole cutout, maximizing the screen real estate. Speaking of the display, the Huawei S9 features a 6.78-inch OLED panel with a 120 Hz refresh rate. This means ultra-smooth scrolling, vibrant colors, and deep blacks, perfect for watching videos, gaming, or just browsing your favorite apps. The resolution is 1.5K, offering crisp and detailed visuals, and with Huawei's advanced eye comfort technology, you can use the phone for extended periods without straining your eyes. Under the hood, the Huawei S9 is powered by the latest Kirin 9210 chipset, delivering top-tier performance that competes with other flagship devices. The phone is optimized for speed and efficiency, ensuring smooth multitasking, gaming, and even AI-driven applications. It comes with 12 GB of RAM as standard, with an option for 16 GB in the Pro model, along with 256 GB or 512 GB of internal storage. This means plenty of space for your photos, videos, and apps without worrying about running out of storage. Now let's talk about the camera system, which is one of the biggest highlights of the Huawei S9. The main sensor is a 50mm Ultra Vision camera with optical image stabilization, ensuring sharp and clear photos even in low light. There's also a 40mm ultra wide-angle lens, perfect for capturing landscapes and group shots, and a 12mm periscope telephoto lens that supports up to 5x optical zoom and 50x digital zoom. Whether you're shooting portraits, night shots, or videos, the Huawei S9's AI-powered camera system enhances every shot, making sure you get professional quality images. For selfie lovers, the front camera is an impressive 32MP with AI beauty and HDR capabilities, making sure your selfies always look their best. Video recording is also top-notch, supporting 4K recording at 60 FPS with advanced stabilization features, ensuring smooth and high-quality videos for content creators. When it comes to battery life, the Huawei S9 doesn't disappoint. It packs a 5200mAh layered battery, which can easily last a full day with heavy use. The phone supports 100W fast charging, meaning you can charge from 0 to 100% in just under 30 minutes. It also includes 50W wireless charging, allowing you to charge quickly without needing a cable. Huawei's intelligent battery management system further enhances longevity, making sure the phone remains efficient over time. The software experience on the Huawei S9 is powered by HarmonyOS 4.0, which brings a seamless and fluid interface. It's packed with smart features including AI-powered optimizations, better multitasking capabilities, and improved privacy settings. The app gallery has expanded significantly, offering a wide range of popular apps, and with Huawei's new pedal search feature, finding and installing apps is easier than ever. Connectivity-wise, the Huawei S9 supports 5G, Wi-Fi 7, and Bluetooth 5.3, ensuring fast and stable connections no matter where you are. Security features include an in-display fingerprint scanner and advanced facial recognition, keeping your data safe and secure. Overall, the Huawei S9 is a powerhouse smartphone that combines style, performance, and innovation. Whether you're a tech enthusiast, a mobile gamer, or someone who loves photography, this phone has something for everyone. Huawei continues to push boundaries, and the S9 is proof that they are still a major player in the smartphone industry. That wraps up our video on the Huawei S9. What do you think of this latest flagship from Huawei? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any future updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.